was your best friend, and now I'm just losing.
Stand my throne, and I love my thoughts. And you can't tell nothing. I get the feeling good, I'm feeling good.
Child, let me tell y'all what happened. Okay, you all, so I started with my at-home Starbucks, and let me tell y'all, this coffee gave me euphoria. Your girl was lit. Like, I was living my best moment of the day. But yeah, y'all, it was good. Y'all should try it. Okay, y'all, so I was on my way out the door, and this outfit is just not modest, and I'm trying to be a little more modest these days, and I really don't have money to shop right now for more modest attire. So I just, you can't have all that hanging out, so I just tagged something there. Y'all, look at Miley. She got her little tumbling hat on with her tumbling shoes. Y'all, my bestie here gave me this. It used to be her daughter's, and one thing about my bestie, well, let me say this, it was brand new, because one thing about my bestie, she gonna spoil them kids. She may not be a good mother, because she's a great mother. Okay, and not just because she buy them things. Like, my girl, my bestie, my sis, she be with them kids. Body want all the attention. And she got it. She got it. You got it. Okay, y'all, let me get off this camera. Such a pretty, pretty girl. Let's hope she stays asleep until my nails are done.
Stand my throne. And I keep on the vision strong. I get the feeling good, I'm feeling good, I'm feeling good, I'm feeling good, I'm feeling blessed. I really need some rest.
Y'all, I just want to take the time out to say something. This is Christian rap, so don't judge me for listening to it. Like, I've been really trying to work on not listening to secular rap. So y'all, let me tell y'all what happened at the nail shop. Well, actually, we're gonna wait till we get home, y'all, because it's wild. It is wild. Child, let me tell y'all what happened. Let me tell y'all what happened at this nail shop. Y'all, it was wild. Well, let me start off by saying that my sister, I didn't take my sister what she needed to go because she decided to text me and tell me. But yeah, y'all, my sister decided to text me and tell me that it'll be a better idea if I take her to where she going once my son get out of school. How you gonna tell me what's best for me? If I'm doing you a favor, how you gonna tell me what's best? But anyway, it might get pushed off to tomorrow because I think I got partial night blind. It's not fully, not all the way, but just piquito. It get dark like an hour after my son get out of school. It's like a 30-minute drive to where she at, not including like probably a 20-minute drive to my dad's job. Then, I want to talk to my dad. I ain't seen him in a minute. And then a 20-minute ride. When we get through, I'm going to be doing a lot of night driving. Hold on, y'all. Hey, girl. So, y'all, tell me why. You know how they tell y'all to wash your hands at the sink? So, tell me why I go to wash my hands when my nails done or whatever. Now, I seen one of the male nail techs, that not my tech, but another tech. I see him looking in the direction where my son was at. So I'm like, oh my God, what is he doing now? So tell me why I look over there. And this child, feet in the air, getting in the chair head first. I'm like, oh my God, it just had to be my child. It just had to be my kid. So I'm like super embarrassed. I'm like, oh my God, this is wild. So anyway, y'all, it was wild. I was very embarrassed. Hold on, y'all. So y'all, let me tell y'all about my nails. So let me tell y'all about the nail shop finesse. The finesse is real. So y'all, I had an idea for my nails and I knew it was gonna be lit. So while I'm looking through the colors, I see like some cute glitter nails. So I'm like, okay, I would say that for around Valentine's Day because it's more appropriate. So let me see what this glitter do. So y'all, let me tell y'all. So I told my tech, like, let me see how one look, and then if I like the one, then we can go with that. So she did the one nail and I liked it. I'm like, okay, come on, cool, let's go. Y'all, these nails ate under that light. The nail finesse shop is real. Like, your stuff be looking so good up under them lights. I need them lights up in here. I got LED, but them next level. Okay, so you know, it looked good. She did extra for free. She put like the little glitter powder, and I really was like clutching my pearls. Yeah, so it looked good. And y'all, the moment I get out the door, it went from lit to shop. And I'm gonna explain to y'all what shop mean. Now, if you ever want to see if your nails outdated, go to your auntie that's like 30 years or more older than you and ask them what they think about your nails. If they say it's shop with a B, it's outdated. It don't mean it ain't cute. It just know it's outdated. So my nails went from lit to shop real quick. And I'm like, it's like something my auntie will wear. Not shading it, like y'all do y'all thing, but it's a new day and age, and it's such thing as outdated. So I'm like, oh my God, but I already done paid my money. I already went through all the trouble. So we just gonna be shy for a couple of weeks. And then after that, these nails gonna eat, period. But yeah, y'all, I'm finna get this child because she can't stand to not be in my arms. And yeah, y'all, I'm finna take a nap and I'll holler at y'all later. I don't know if I'm gonna start a new vlog or keep this going, but your girl finna go to sleep. What I like to do is slice it down the middle and then slice it so that it cuts into twos.
Oh, you have to cut it first?
Hey y'all, I'm about to try these Red Lobster cheddar bay biscuit shrimp. Let me show y'all. I wanted to taste it for the first time on camera, so here we go. Hold on. The first bite, I was looking like that because the first bite just kind of shocked me. It's like the Red Lobster biscuit, like it says, mixed with shrimp. And I thought my taste buds was ready for that, but it wasn't. But it's good. It's good. And this would be really good, y'all, with some sweet sauce. Like a sweet and sour sauce. I make these in the oven. And between the shrimp and the top crust, it's just a little mushy. Like, just a little mushy. Not like nothing too crazy. But I'm sure if you fried it, it probably wouldn't be like mushy like that. But I'm just going to have to deal with it because I try to stay away from fried foods. I try to stay away from fried foods. I eat fried foods, but if I can get away with bacon instead of frying, that's what I'm going to do. Or, you know, get you an air fryer. To me, my oven is my air fryer. That's why I never bought one yet. But I might buy one, but girl, the oven do the same thing. So, yeah. But them good. Them real good, y'all. Don't forget Nina Link put you on. Like, if you want to get put on, subscribe. Because I'll put you on fashion. I'll put you on food. I'll put you on new workouts. Everything. I'm going to put you on. Even though I don't believe that's new. But I do be trying new stuff all the time. So, keep it locked. Subscribe. Oh, yeah, y'all. And I have a seafood boil. And I never really did this. And I got a feeling it's going to be good. Chef Candy. You got Chef Candy in the building. But, yeah. So I made a seafood boil. I made some in the past, y'all, but I ain't gonna cap to y'all. It wasn't right. So I'm just experimenting until I get it right. Like, the cook was right, but the flavors it wasn't giving what it needed to give. But I think this one gonna be good. And it's noodles underneath there. Boiled egg. This took a lot of effort, y'all. But yeah, we gonna see what it do, and I'll let y'all know. Hey y'all, I'm done with my seafood boil, and it was a 7 out of 10. It was the cheddar bay biscuit shrimp was great, but I didn't make that. Crab legs is crab legs, but as far as the seasoning and everything, like, it was lacking. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, it was lacking. So y'all, if y'all see me make a seafood boil video, just know I got it. Just know that I must have got my together, stuff together, cause right now it ain't third yet. But yeah, so it wasn't all that. No, it was the crab legs was good. The noodles by itself it was noodles. But the seasonings, basically what I'm lacking is seasoning. And the shrimp, I think I'm just gonna have to saute them and put them in, cause every time like I steam it with the crab legs, plain. Like even when you throw seasoning on top, it just don't be hitting. So yeah, it was alright. It was alright, and I feel good because I'm happy that I'm not that full. And yeah, cause I don't like being real stuffed, but I will get stuck. But like on an everyday basis, I try not to get stuffed. But y'all, my arms hurting. Oh my god, they never tell you this about vlog life. But yeah, so it was alright, and it wasn't nasty. It wasn't too plain. It had some seasoning. It just wasn't like what I imagined. I still haven't tasted anybody's seafood on the level that I think it should be on, like what the Instagram seafoods be looking like. I don't know what they taste like, but what they be looking like Fisherman's Island, Seafood Junction. Like it's just not exactly the taste that I be looking for. So we gonna keep looking till we find it. But yeah. Look at this girl. She just always hit my. Y'all, I'm sorry. I'm not trying to show my breasts, y'all. I promise you, I'm not. I had changed my shirt to eat the seafood, and I just wanted to put the camera on the baby. I was not trying to show my boobs, cause we don't do that. And if I can bleep it out, I'm gonna bleep it out. But yeah, anyway, that's something I have to learn how to do. But yeah, so y'all, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. And
You still vlogging?
yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this vlog, and see y'all later. Hey, big mamas. Hey, say hey, YouTube.
Hey, y'all.
Say hey. Let me get my breast out of the way. Big mamas. Hey, you two little kids. Hey, oldest son. Say hey to the vlog.
It's super lit.
Teenagers.